This has been a very heavenly hike. Wow. I've never seen this part of this mountain. Clearly we're going up the mountain, not down. Last time we were up in this part of the forest, well, we weren't this high. We ran into a bear. I did a little video about that. Howdy, Frank. You enjoying our hike? Check out this beautiful spot we just came across. I've never seen this spot. I've hiked all around this area, and this took a little trail that I didn't expect and came across this. And up here, there's a stump. And I just did a little meditating on the stump. Let me show you my vantage point here for this little sit. There goes Frankie. Hopefully this isn't just an animal trail. It's sprinkling as we speak, and it's been sprinkling off and on these beautiful showers. We'll show you a long distance shot. Now that everything's saturated, let's find some, oh boy, we didn't have to look very far. Check this out. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. We're just gonna walk and breathe and let the subject pull us in. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. They're all a little wilted right now with the rain, but all right, let's keep hiking, Frankie. Show us where to go. It's getting a little muddy out here. You know what, times like this, I feel like just going black and white. Let's do a little black and white action. There's just such good contrast. And there's a lot of beautiful green leaves. But why not go black and white and just strip it down to all those beautiful verticals? I always like to make sure that I get some footage with the 0.5 13 millimeter lens just to take in kind of this space, be able to get immersed right in there. And let's not forget these tight shots here. I swear, veering off trail like that, it's always a rush when you realize you're just kind of not perfectly sure where you are, and you wind up on these, you know, they're more like animal trails, cow trails and stuff up through here, because they do run cattle up here. But I know generally, I know that mountain's over there, and I know what that mountain is over there. So I think we're going to get down to the road here pretty soon. I love that feeling. It feels, man, like when you get that adrenaline rush in the forest, like when you see a wild animal or something that could kill you. I see something. Ta-da! And Frankie is muddy, man. There's our road. All right, beautiful. Hope y'all enjoyed those mindful photography shots. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content about mindful photography and AI therapy.